basically prepare your demos. If you are just changing something, make sure that your demo works. Think what you will be saying about your work, how it has to do with the music, how it has taken advantage of the users. There has been several user groups here. User needs, mobile device, whatsoever. You have to explain this. There are 3 different groups of judges. Me and Olaf, we will look at the what was user experience part was ours. Then Mikko and Aapo will look at the musical parts, and then Tommi and Arto were supposed to look at the technical part of the whole thing. So you have to say some words about these things while you are presenting your works. So something like half an hour, then we start the final presentation. Okay? Okay, please.
We are the group of 6, and our application is this media player remote. The idea is we're using the mobile device as a remote to control the media player on a PC. It's for a user who is not very convenient to go to their laptop to change the songs, so they can using the devices change the things remotely. We got some user cases, like for example, Alice is preparing some dinner in the kitchen, and she wants to listen to some favorite songs from the PC during the cooking, but she didn't have time to go to, or not very convenient to go to the room where the PC is there, and so she can using the mobile device, just open the media player from the kitchen and change any song she wants. So basically that's the user case. Currently our application has the following features. The first is allows the user to open or shut down the media player on the PC, and it also allows the user to perform some basic control functions such as change the next song or movie and pause, or it also can allow the user to control the volume of the player. In addition, the user can also modify the playlist in real time, so he can just add in some songs to the playlist, or just totally remove the playlist to another one. It's not only this application support a lot of media player which can be controlled from the command line. I have tested for the two-tone movie player from the Ubuntu. It works fine, and also tested the rhythm box. It also works. And because the server side is we're using Python as a program language, and so you can see that this application is not only works on the Linux machine. It also works on the Windows PC. Since I haven't tested this yet, but I think in theory those things are works. Because time and I lack some experience in the MIMO GTK, so the problem of our application is that the speed at the beginning we're using the service discovery to find out the server, so the speed is a little bit slow. Another problem is the user interface is not very good because I couldn't find out some suitable icon used as a button. There's also another one minor error in the application. It happened after the client shut down the Bluetooth connection, but it's harmless for the main function, so it's not very important. Our future work about this application is try to create a better user interface and adding some other functions, such as we can search the media files from the PC and just choose any file you want and add into the playlist. And also we want to get some feedback, get some information from the media player to show, to display which songs or which contents are currently played on the PC and display those information on the mobile device. So here is our screenshot of our user interface. It's not very clear. Yeah. And now I think I can do the demonstration. Here is a server running on this laptop, and I use the remote machine. The client is also running here. Here you can see the connecting speed is a little bit slow. Yeah, now it's connected to the server, so we can open the media player by click the button. So there will be some songs to play, and we can change to next song. If you think the sound is the volume is too low, you can change it. You can see here you can see the changes here, and also you can change songs. If you want to modify the playlist, here you can choose in some existing playlist from the device, and just there's two options. You can increase to the old one, and you can also replace to some new one. So I choose one of the playlists from here and replace the old one. So all the things is changing. And if you want, you can also play some movie here.
One question, how many people working in this group? You only?
Yeah. You want to close the player, just close, and you can also reopen it.
Okay. Thank you. Let's move to the next one, but before that, let's